Have you ever found yourself wrestling with the daunting task of budgeting? Does the mere thought of it make your head spin? If so, you're not alone. Today we're going to delve into a simple budgeting method that might just be the answer to all your financial woes. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and it's astoundingly simple, yet incredibly effective. So what exactly is this magic formula, you ask? The 50-30-20 rule is a budgeting technique that splits your income into three distinct categories: essentials, personal choices, and financial goals. It's a proven method that helps you manage your finances and stay on track without feeling overwhelmed. Now let's break down each component. Firstly, the 50%. This portion of your income should be allocated to your essentials, your needs. These are the things you simply cannot do without. It includes your rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, healthcare, and transportation costs. They're the non-negotiables, the things that keep you safe, fed, and able to live your life. Next up, the 30%. This is the slice of your income pie that goes towards your wants, your personal choices. This includes dinners out, vacations, hobbies, and any other non-essential items that improve your quality of life. It's your fun money, the slice of your budget that you can spend guilt-free on the things that bring you joy. Lastly, the 20%. This is the portion of your income that should be directed towards your financial goals. Whether it's saving for retirement, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, this part of your budget is all about securing your financial future. So, to summarize, the 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet effective budgeting method that divides your income into three categories. 50% goes to essentials, 30% to personal choices, and 20% to financial goals. It's a flexible approach that can adapt to different income levels and lifestyles, offering a clear framework to manage your money without the stress. Remember, budgeting isn't about restricting your spending. It's about understanding where your money goes and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule is a tool that can help you do just that. It's about taking control of your finances and ensuring you're not just living for today, but also planning for tomorrow. So give the 50-30-20 rule a shot. It might just be the budgeting solution you've been looking for. After all, managing your money shouldn't be a constant struggle. It should be empowering, giving you the freedom to live your life on your terms. And with the 50-30-20 rule, it can be.